Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you areas of parallelograms and rhombus of chapter 20 mensuration areas of parallelograms and rhombus. First of all, I discuss area of parallelogram. Parallelogram. A figure of parallelogram is any side is called base. Suppose AB is base. Distance between two parallel lines. D. Suppose it is height. So first formula is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Second formula is base equal to base of parallelogram is area by height. And third formula is height equal to area by base. Next formula is rhombus. Next term is rhombus. Figure of rhombus, all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. A, B, C and D. Diagonals of rhombus are bisect each other at perpendicularly. All sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at perpendicularly. So, suppose first diagonal is D1, and second diagonal is D2. First formula, area of a rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into product of diagonals. That means 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Second formula is one diagonal D1 equal to 2 into area by D2, and second diagonal D2 equal to 2 into area by D1. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve some examples of exercise 20C. One question is written here. Example number 2. The base of a parallelogram is twice its height. If its area is 512 cm square, find the base and the height. So let height be x, then base equal to 2x. Length base is twice its height, so let height be x, then base equal to 2x. According to question, area of the parallelogram equal to 512 cm square. 512 cm square. That implies formula is base into height. Base into height equal to 512. Next step is base is 2x into height is x equal to 512. That implies 2x square equal to 512. X square equal to 512 by 2. So divide it. 2 2 are 4, 1 and 1 11, 2 5 are 10, 1 2 12, so 2 6 are 12, so 256. Now that implies x equal to x square equal to 256. So x equal to under root 256. That means 16 cm. Therefore, height equal to x equal to 16 cm and base equal to 2x equal to 2 into 16 cm equal to 32 cm. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 3. In this question, find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus. The lengths of whose sides, the lengths of whose diagonals are 36 cm and 22.5 cm. Here given in a rhombus, first diagonal D1 equal to 36 cm and second diagonal D2 equal to 22.5 cm. So therefore, area of a rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. That means D1 into D2 equal to 1 by 2 into D1 is 36 cm. D1 36 cm and D2 is 22.5 cm. So 18 to ja 36. Now multiply here 18 cm into 22.5 cm equal to, so multiply it, 22.5 into 18. 5 8 the 40 of 0 carry 4. 2 8 the 16 plus 4 20 of 0 carry 2. 2 8 the 16 plus 2 18. Now one time 5 1 the 5, 2 1 the 2 and 2 1 the 2. Add it, 0 5 8 plus 2 10 of 0 carry 1 1 1 2 plus 2 4. Decimal after one digit, so 405 centimeter square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example number 5. In this question, if the area of a rhombus is 96 cm square and one of its diagonals is 16 cm, find its perimeter. One diagonal is ABCD. Sorry. One rhombus is ABCD. ABCD be a rhombus. One diagonal is D1 and other diagonal D2. Diagonals intersect at point O. We know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So D1 equal to area of rhombus. Area of the rhombus equal to 96 cm square. One diagonal D1 equal to 16 cm. 16 cm. So therefore diagonal D2 equal to, formula is 2 into area by diagonal D1 equal to 2 into 96 by 16. 16 6 ja 96 equal to 16 6 2 ja 12. 12 cm. Second diagonal is D1 D2 equal to 12 cm. So diagonals bisect each other. That means OA equal to half of 16, so 8 cm, and it is side. All sides are equal. D2 is 12 cm, so diagonal bisect each other. So OB equal to 6 cm. Diagonal D1 equal to 16 cm. Diagonals bisect each other, so OA equal to 8 cm and OB equal to 6 cm. So in triangle, right triangle AOB, in right triangle, AOB by Pythagoras, side equal to AB equal to under root OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square equal to, OA means 8 square plus OB 6 square. 64, 8 square 64 and 6 square 36 equal to 100. A square root of 100 equal to 10 cm. So side of this rhombus is 10 cm. Now therefore perimeter equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side equal to 4 into 10 cm equal to 4 10 are 40 cm. Answer. Now students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 20C. Thank you. That's all.